In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward a domain in Namecheap step by step. This is a very useful setup if you want one domain to send visitors automatically to another website, a landing page, a new brand name, or even a social profile. Domain forwarding is a simple way to keep traffic moving in the right direction without having to build a separate site for every domain you own. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where all of your domains are managed. From here, look for the domain list option. This is where Namecheap keeps every domain that you own under your account, so if you have several domains, this is the place to start. Now find the domain you want to forward. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct one, especially if you manage multiple domains for different projects or clients. Next to that domain, click the Manage button. This opens the settings page for that specific domain, where you can change DNS settings, add forwarding rules, and control other domain features. Once you're on the management page, look for the domain menu, and then choose Redirect Domain. This is the section Namecheap uses for forwarding traffic from one domain to another. After that, click Add Redirect. This tells Namecheap that you want to create a new forwarding rule for this domain. Now you'll need to enter your source domain. This is the domain people will type into their browser, or the one you want to send away from. Make sure the source is correct, because this is the domain that will trigger the redirect. Then enter the destination URL. This is the website address where you want visitors to end up. It could be your main website, a product page, a link in bio page, or any valid web address. Before saving, carefully review both the source and destination details. This step is important because a small typo in the URL can send traffic to the wrong place or cause the redirect to fail. Double-check the spelling, the HTTPS format if needed, and make sure the destination is the exact page you want people to see. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. Namecheap will apply the redirect, and your domain forwarding setup will be active. At this point, anyone visiting the source domain should be sent to the destination URL you entered. And that's it. You've now learned how to forward a domain in Namecheap. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference if you're managing multiple brands, simplifying links, or redirecting old domains to a new site. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.